here we are working with
Creation
gradients.
again equals 2 points.
In the class today, we're working with gradients. We found
Okay,
the
I've
one at the top.
retrieved all the
Yesterday, same
papers.
class. You said what?
I've retrieved all.
Okay, those pages. Okay, like the first one that I explained. Let me try to zoom it up here. So that I said the y2 is 22, right?
Yes.
And the y1 is what? Negative
Negative
20.
20.
So that negative must follow the value. Since we know that it's y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so let me just write that up a little bit. So say gradient is what? Y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So then this is y2 and y1, then this is x2 and this is x1. So you got this one at the bottom that says minus 1 minus minus 8. And the one at the top should have been 22 minus minus 20 instead of 22 minus 20. And that gave 42 over 7, which is 6 for the gradient there. Okay, and the second one at the bottom, it says we should work out the gradient. These are the 2 points, first point and second coordinates. So we have 3500 minus 1100, right?
Yes.
And we're supposed to have 200 minus 120. So it's here now. So what is 3500 minus 1100? That should be 2400, right?
Yeah.
And 200 minus 120 should be what? 80. So if a zero cancel a zero, then we have 30, right?
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
M equals to 30. Yeah, so that's one about it. Okay, so let me okay, I think I still have another one on this page, question 17. Let's see. Okay, you wrote that we should look at the scale, right?
Yeah.
Okay, the scale is not the same for x and y axis. So one box here is half point. So 2 boxes are 1 point. 4 boxes 2 point. But here, wait a minute. No wonder you said the scale. This is 1 box for 2 points, right?
Yes.
Okay, so definitely if we want to count rise over run, we have to really count with sense. You understand me?
Yes.
So if I want to pick up, I need a triangle. So let me pick a triangle that will represent that and just face it left way, rotate, flip horizontal. Yeah. So I can pick this point and this point. Okay. Let me make it tinier so that you can see it, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So if I pick these 2 points, there'll be 1 point at the top here and 1 point at the bottom here. So here will be my 1 point here, and here also will be the second point. So rise over run. If I'm counting it upward, I'm counting in twos, right? Like 2, 4, 6, 8, whatever. So if I'm counting the boxes, I could count. Okay, wait. Let me just paint it. I'll count 1, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Right? So rise equal to 12. And if I'm counting the run, I'll count in halves. Okay, half, 1, then 1.5 and 2, right?
Yes, 2.5. Yeah, 3.
Yeah, no, it's it's 2, right?
Yes.
This is
Yeah.
this is 1 and this is the second one. So I'm going to have 2. So the that's over run, which is the gradient. So the gradient is what? 6. And if we choose to use coordinates, what are the coordinates for this second point here? That's 1, comma 8. And what are the coordinates for the first point? -1, comma -4.
Yeah, yeah.
So let's now use those points to quickly find our gradient. So m equal to 8 minus 4 over what? 1 minus 1. So that's 12 over 2, right?
Yes.
Which is what? 6.
Six.
So whether we
Wait,
count
so
or we use the coordinates, it's still the same thing. Yes, you want to say something?
I was gonna say that yeah. So the run is 8 and the rise is 12.
Yes. The run is 2 rather, not 8.
Ah,
You know, because we're counting half, 1, 1.5, and
okay,
2.
I see.
Because from the scale here, we can see half and 1, right?
Yes.
And so 4 boxes represent 2 units. Do you understand?
Yeah, I
So do
see.
you need to put anything down in the ones we've done?
Yes, please. I'm just putting down the scale.
Okay, okay. So once you're through, you let me know then. What about the ones at the top?
The ones at the top.
Yeah, this
Um,
this one and
yeah,
this
yeah.
one.
Um, I understand my mistake for that one. So,
Okay, okay. So just
and the yes.
when you're through with this, then we'll work on the two questions on there.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna continue shortly, viewers. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe to this channel. To work on the graph, like I said, we're gonna follow the scale on the graph itself. We're able to pick out the scale. So now, if we say draw the graph of y equals to this on the grid above, good. Let's say, how do we get that done? We just pick values, okay?
I see.
When x is 1, what is y? So put 1 here. 4 times 1, that's
4.
4, right? Then
Yes.
4 plus 2.
6.
So 1 gives us 6. So it's going to be here, okay? Are you seeing this?
Yes, I do.
Uh-huh. So when x is -1, what will be y? That is 4 times -1, right?
Yes, -4.
-4 plus 2 is -2, right?
Yes, I
So
see.
-1 goes to -2. So we're going to have here, right? Right?
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Let's pick up maybe 2 more points. When x is 2, what is y? 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus
8.
2 is what? 10.
10.
So can we get 10 up here? Yes, we can. So 2 goes to what? 10, right?
10. 2. Yep.
Then maybe we can pick -2. When x is -2, then what happens? 4 times -2 is what? -8.
-8.
-8 plus 2, that's -6.
-6.
So -2 goes down to -6. Now we can plot the graph, right?
Yeah, we can.
So something like this. Can you see it?
Yes.
So it was easy because the grid is already there for us. Now this one say write down the gradient. Well, the gradient is already shown there in the equation, right?
Yes.
What's the gradient? 4.
Yeah, 4.
But can we confirm it from the graph we just plotted? Let's try. Let's try. If I want to confirm it, I can just get a triangle and place it somewhere. Let me try to turn
I
it.
thought that from our workings we concluded that the gradient was 6. Or is that for that triangle?
Which one?
Uh, from our workings that we concluded that the gradient was 6.
Yeah, that's for
Triangle.
that's for the first line.
I see.
This line has a gradient of 6, okay? But now
Yes.
they gave us an
So,
but now they gave us
so what
another
I did was
equation.
not correct.
You said?
So my line is not correct.
No, No, they didn't even ask us to find the gradient of the first graph there.
Yes.
I just found it just in case.
So should I keep the mark or should I take off the mark?
Okay, what was your answer for the mark?
It was the graph one.
For the graph. Okay,
What?
you didn't plot the other line, right?
Yes.
Oh
No.
no, that means you have not done it. So I want us to confirm, the gradient is obvious from this equation, right?
Yes.
That's 4. So for the new
Yeah.
graph, for the new line. So I want us to confirm from what we just plotted. That's what I'm trying to do here now. So flip horizontal. If I pick this point, -1 and whatever 2, then I could pick this point here. Okay?
Yes.
So if I'm going to count the rise, what's going to be my rise now? 2, 4,
Okay. So
6,
2,
8,
4,
10,
6,
12.
8, 10, 12.
This is 12. What about my
And
run?
the
1,
RAM. Yeah.
2, 3, right?
Oh, that's like a
12
yeah.
over 3,
Yeah.
and that'll be what? 4. So that means the
Right.
gradient is correct, okay? So you can take note of whatever you need to take note of on this page before we move to the next one.
So for my table of values, I did it. Oh yeah, I did it incorrectly. Sorry. For my
Oh,
table of values, I did two big values, very big values.
okay. No, next time you just consider the values on the
On
graph.
the coordinate grid.
Yes, on the
So I
grid.
could use some. So let's say x is -1,
Mm-hmm.
or should I just start with -2? Yeah, I'll start with
You could
minus
start
two.
with -2. Okay, you want to plot the table, right?
Yes.
No problem. So you can just have something like this, and let's say something like this. Okay. Then you start from -2 to +2. Okay.
Yep.
We didn't even plot for 0, but 0 has been spelled out on the graph already. So, but you can plot it on your table. So that will be -2, -1, 0,
One,
then
two.
1 and 2. And so I'm going to
Yeah.
have -2 minus, okay, wait, x should be x here, y here, -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Then when it was -2, I got -6.
Yeah, minus
When
six.
it was -1, I got -2. When it's 0, that'll be 2.
Yeah.
When it's 1, uh, that was 6, I think so.
Six.
And
Um,
2 gives us 10.
8, 10. Yeah. Okay. So that's how you make it.
This one, we have to draw the graph of this on the grid level. They didn't ask us for the gradient of the current. Okay, you're the one that you drew the graph, right?
Yeah, from
Okay,
the
okay.
graph here, but I just need to like understand the question.
Okay, no problem. So when x is okay, yeah. You need to rewrite your equation first, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Because your equation must always be like this.
Yes, y equals mx plus
Yeah.
c.
So now from what we have what?
Aha.
2y,
Yeah.
2y plus x, right?
Yes.
Equals to 20. So we're going to say 2y equal to minus x plus 20, right?
Yeah.
So y equals to what? Minus half x plus 10, because I divided everything by 2.
Mm.
You understand? This
Yes.
over 2, this over 2, this over 2. So 2 cancels here. I have
We're
y.
solving the equation basically.
Yes, to solve for y. So now from this equation, I think we can form a table. So x, then y.
Y.
We do not have to use negative because there's no negative on the graph.
Yeah.
So when x is 0, y is going to be 10, right?
Yeah.
Because you just plug in 0 here and you have 10. So 0 gives 10. When x is 1, y will be negative half plus 10. That is like 10 minus half. That is 9.5. Then when x is 2, that is minus 1 here because half times 2 is 1. So minus 1 plus 10, that is 9. And when x is 3, that will be minus 3 over 2. That's like minus 1.5. So add it to 10, you get 8.5. Okay,
Yes.
8.5. So when x is 4, 4 over 2 is 2. That's minus 2. So plus 10, that is 8. So we can use these values, right?
Yeah.
So on the graph, we say at x equals 0, y is 10. So we start at the 10 also. Then at x equal to 1, y is 9.5. So we got 9.5, that's halfway. Then when x is 2, y is 9. So we got 9. When x is 3, y is 8.5. So go to 8.5, that's halfway. Then when x is 4, y is 8. So go to 8 here. So that means it's going to be a straight line that follows this this place, okay?
Yes.
So it'll be a straight line. Now it says work out the gradient. Work out. Okay, fine. So if we're going to work out the gradient, we're going to get the run again, the fall against the run. Okay. So if I get kind of a line here, I can use this beginning, maybe up to this length. Let me try it again. Okay. Then the fall, oh, this one is not going to work because I need a fall that is precisely on the line. I think the line, I need to draw the line again. So let's see. I think it needs to go through some of those points here, which will give me half and all, half and all, half and all, half and all in the values. So now if I want to get the gradient, so I can use, maybe I'm stopping at this point, then I can get this point. You understand?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, so now I need my coordinates for this first value and for this the second value. So here is 0 comma 10, while here is what? 10 comma
10.5.
5. Yeah, 10 comma 5. So we get the gradient m equal to y2 minus y1 over what? X2 minus x1, right?
X1.
So that's 5 minus 10 over what? 10
Um,
minus 0. So this is going to be what? Negative 5. I mean 10 minus 0. Negative 5
yeah.
over 10. And that will be negative half, right?
Yes.
Oh, wait. That was for the line that we just did, and it's already here. Oh, the second
Uh,
question is another one entirely.
Work out the gradient of the line.
Oh, I think it's the same thing. It's the same thing. It's the same equation, okay? 2y plus x equals 20, 2y plus x equals 20.
Yeah, it's minus half.
Yeah, it's minus half, so that's
All right,
correct.
I just need to.
Okay, you need to adjust some things. All right, viewers, we'll continue shortly. Okay, the next question. This one says the point A has this coordinate and point B has this coordinate. Okay, fine. Work out the gradient. Okay, wait. It didn't say work out the gradient. It said the gradient of the line AB is -3. Find the value of Q. They have given us a Q somewhere there. Okay. We need to
Yeah.
identify our x1, y1, x2, y2. So this is x1, y1, x2, and y2, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, so what we need to do is to find gradient. Gradient is what? Y2
Yeah.
minus
Over
y1 over
R
what?
minus Y1
X2.
X2 minus X1.
So what is y2? That's
Y2 is minus
minus
8.
8. Minus 8 minus y1,
16.
16
Yeah, which is 16.
over q
X2, which is Q,
minus
minus
-3.
X1, which is minus 3.
So now what do we have? We have minus 24, right?
Yes.
Minus
We're
24.
on question 20. Okay.
Yes, question 20. Minus 24 over q plus 3. Okay.
Yes.
And that will give us, they told us it's -3, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So we can now cross multiply. This is over 1. So 3 into what? Q plus 3 equal to minus 24 times 1. So we can divide both sides by -3, okay? I mean by
Yes.
3, not -3, because of the
Yeah.
3 outside the bracket. So this cancel this. Now we have Q plus 3 equal to -8, right?
Yeah.
Then Q equals to what? -8 minus 3, which is what?
Equals to minus 11.
So this point for x2 is going to be -11. Wait,
mm.
can it be -11?
No, it can't
It
because
can be
they got
negative.
5.
It can be negative. Let me see. I'm talking about the graph. That's why I'm saying it can be negative. Okay. So, was anything wrong with this? Let me see. We get y2 is -8 and y1 is is 16. Okay.
3.
X2 is q. Because at least it's xy, right?
Yes. Wait, why
And
did we divide by -3 instead of 3? Because you said that we can do 3, but I'm not sure why.
wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, that's true. I missed something at the point at the top here when I was cross multiplying.
Okay.
The 3 that will come here is negative, okay?
Yeah.
So it's -3 into q plus 3.
Mm.
You understand? Then equals to
Yeah.
-24. I was just trying to figure that out. So this is divided by -3, right?
Yeah.
And that was actually what I was about saying there. So q plus 3 equal to what? 8, not negative. So q equal to 8 minus 3, and q should be 5. So that means this point, x2, is 0.5, okay?
Yeah.
While this one is point minus 3. Exactly.
Yep, it is.
Okay, so I think that's all for this page.
Yes.
Yeah, you can jot it down.
Okay. Ah, yeah, I see. So you used
All
to.
right, viewers, we'll continue shortly.
That makes sense how they got that.
Mhm.
I actually need to get that down.